In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find and book cheap hotels, using a few simple tricks that anyone can do. These steps will help you save money whether you're staying in a budget-friendly hotel or a luxury hotel. And don't miss any of the steps, and if you miss any of the steps, this trick doesn't work. Now let's start with step 1, and the first thing we're going to do is find the real price of a hotel before booking. Because every booking website, whether it's Agoda or Make My Trip, each shows different prices depending on the dates, season, and even your location. To do that, you can type your location here. For example, I will type Manali and hit search. By the way, you can find the link for this website in the description so that you can follow along with me. Once the page loads, look for the filters option. From here, go to price plus taxes and fees, and change that setting to total stay plus taxes and fees. This step helps you see the real price of your hotel without any hidden charges. Click apply and the page will refresh. Now, if you need sort the results from low to high price, and if you want a quality stay, turn on the filter for 4-star and above hotels. You'll start to see some amazing options at really good rates. Let's click on one of them. Once you open a hotel, you'll see multiple price options coming from different platforms like Agoda or Make My Trip. This is where you can easily spot who's offering the best deal at that moment. Here's the second step. Scroll all the way down and you'll find a section showing how the price changes by date. For example, today the price might be 709 rupees, but if you check for November 18th, the same hotel could drop to rupees 621. That's a 100 rupee difference just by switching your dates. That's a secret trick, and sometimes even 1 or 2 days can save you a lot. Once you've spotted a good deal, click View Deal, and for this example, I'll go with Agoda. Now below that listing, you'll notice more hotels showing similar discounted rates. Some 3,600 rupee hotels drop to 1,200 rupees, and 5,000 rupee hotels fall to 1,600 rupees. On the top, you'll also see something called Limited Time Offers. Sort by that option, and you'll unlock a ton of flash discounts that aren't visible in normal search results. Some of these hotels even show extra coupon codes, so don't forget to check that little apply coupon section before you confirm. Once you've picked the one you like, check the room availability, enter your name and email, and hit book now. That's it, and that's how you can find and book cheap hotels online without wasting hours comparing prices. And by the way, all the links for this booking websites will be in the description, and don't forget to check them. And see you guys in the next video.